We, the sovereign Filipino people, yung bukal ng kapangyarihan, the sovereign Filipino people, we are declaring martial law. Declaration number 1. Di magulat kayo dyan. Ano yung kasabay ng martial law? Putya. Lahat kayo, terminated. Terminated. Under house arrest. Walang aalis. Number 2, we are declaring a revolutionary government. Napanaginipan ko yan eh. Sinishare ko lang sa inyo. We are declaring a revolutionary government. Patay kayo ngayon. Martial law na, revolutionary government pa. Wala na, yung mga batas-batas na yung pinagmamalaki ninyo. Wala. Number 3, we are taking command of the armed forces of the Philippines and Philippine National Police. The following ganyan are retired automatically. Retired. Yung iba, considered under house arrest. Yung kayo mga nasa ibaba, arestuhin nyo yan. Lagay nyo sa under house arrest. And then we will convene